Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is religious and social reformer. So let's talk about it. The idea and belief of the people have to evolve the changing the times. Here we discuss some of people who devoted their life to bring about social and religious changes for the betterment of our society. Raja Ram Mohan Rai was born in 1772 to rich family of Bengal. He studied various languages including Persian, Arabic, Sanskrit and English. He published his first book Tofa ul Mohidin in 1803 in which he stated that all religions preached the worship of one God, meaningless religious rituals. Raja Ram Mohan Rai worked as religious and social reformer. He was against the barrier of caste division and social evils such as sati and propagate widow remarriage. He started Brahmo Samaj in an attempt to change the excessive dependence of religious rituals in society, and he had liberal views on education for girls. He was regarded as the father of Indian Renaissance. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, born in 1817 in Delhi, he was an Indian educator and political who pioneered modern education for Muslim community in India. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati was born in the Tankara, Gujarat, to wealthy family, and he was named Mool Shankar. He was one of the most important socio-religious reformer in India. He founded the Arya Samaj, and he was a scholar and believed in that the authority of Vedas. He also established Gurukuls to impart Vedic education. He worked toward equal rights for women and their right to education. He translated the Vedas from Sanskrit to Hindi to make them easy for all to read. Pandit Rambai was born in 1858. Her father, Pandit Anant Sastri Dongra, a great scholar, defined society and taught Sanskrit to his wife Lakshmibai Dogre, and the two daughters Ramabai led the foundation of women liberation movement in India. She encouraged widow remarriage. Vinoba Bhave was born on 11 September 1895 in the village of Gadoga, Maharashtra. His real name was Vinayak. He was a spiritual visionary and became a symbol of struggle of good against evil, for the spiritual against the ordinary. He gave up his high school study in 1916 and became an enthusiastic follower of Gandhiji. Frank Anthony was born on 25th September 1908 in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Intelligent student, he studied in Nagpur University. He excelled in English and he was awarded with the Viceroy Gold Medal. He later moved to London and obtained a law degree. He represented India in the Commonwealth Parliament Conference in 1948 to 1957. Frank Anthony contributed towards the spread of education by establishing the All Indian Anglo-Indian Educational Trust. He was appointed the chairman of the Interstate Board of Anglo-Indian Education. Kids, tell me, why was the Sati Pratha abolished? Write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the religious and social reformer. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.